Excavator, our EC230. So this is actually the first time that we have the machine live for attendees to operate themselves. They can actually use our dig assess technology and demo some grade control. But before we talk about that, I'm going to have SS Kim and Lars Arnold give you a walk around of the machine and get all the ins and outs of what's so great about this electric excavator.
Hi, my name is Seung-Soo Kim, and you can go by SS. I'm a product manager for medium-sized excavator, and I'm with the Lars.
Hi, I'm Lars Arnold. I'm the product manager for sustainable powered equipment at Volvo Construction Equipment.
So this EC230 machine is 23-ton full electric machine. This is industry first full-size, medium-sized excavators. You guys see that in the medium size, small size of the electric machines, but not like this EC23-ton machine.
We are the first global OEM supplier having this size of machine commercially available as a first step in Europe. Second step will be North America.
This is not the dealer solution or aftermarket solution, purely designed and developed by Volvo and produced by Volvo.
Yeah, as the machine sits behind me here right now, that's how the machine is coming out of the factory. Some pilot machines for the North American market and being shipped to the European market to our dealers and our customers.
This machine's performance and the production is same as conventional type diesel engines.
As an example, so we had the machine with a, I will not mention name, but with a large customer. Everything checked out, productivity, performance, much less maintenance, controllability or responsiveness of the controls. So it's everything checks out. What you can do with a diesel machine, you can do with the electric machine as well. Yeah. But it actually feels better and stronger. Let's walk around the machine. You know, if you don't mind, let's look at some components here. Our machine, we can open the doors and show you what's inside here. So here we have the oil cooler. We have, the cap has heat and AC, so here's the condenser, some other equipment or fuse boxes in here. And here is the heart of the machine. Here we have the battery pack. So we have 4 battery packs, one on top there, each 66 kilowatts. So we have a total capacity of 264 kilowatt hours available to run the machine. With this power, with this energy storage, we actually can run the machine. We tested this. 3 to 5 hours, depending on how hard the application is. And another thing we are doing right now here, we are charging the machine. To cancel charging, simply push the button here. It cancels charging. The light will go dim here, unplug the cable, and you're ready to go. Yeah, that's how easy it is. Charging cancelled, plug it back in, and the machine is charging again.
When the cable is connected to the machine, and then main monitor inside the cab will showing this machine is being charged certain percent, 80% or 90%, and then it will show how many hours it will take to be fully charged for tomorrow.
Good point, I forgot about this. Let's walk around. Okay, we are now on the right side of the machine and I will show you something more. So here we have the batteries from the other side and you see some lines in there. Let me point them out. So there are lines there, they have coolant. So the batteries actually have an active thermal management. They are cooled or heated to keep the batteries always at the perfect temperature. The electric motor here is also water cooled. So we have a radiator up here to cool the batteries. We have another radiator up front to cool the electric motor. And it's the same electric motor as we have on our Mack trucks, Volvo trucks. And then we have a gearbox here and here from the hydraulic pump, SS.
So, as you know, the electric motor runs so fast, we need to either down the speed with the gearbox in here. So connect it, gearbox, and then we connect the main hydraulic pump, which is exactly the same hydraulic pump, hydraulic system with conventional type diesel unit. So then from this part, and then hydraulic system is exactly the same. So that means the production and the performance are the same, and you can use all hydraulic options like a hammer piping or shear piping or quick coupler or whatever, you name it. So this performance and feasibility is same as diesel unit, but instead, and this machine noise level will be quite lower than diesel one and less vibration. So operator will feel much better, and then it could increase his productivity. And
That's actually feedback we had when we test the machine with the customer. The operator is using an EC230 diesel, and we had him run the EC230 diesel. He actually preferred the electric machine because it's much more comfortable, powerful. He loved the machine.
And then, as you can see, we are using the batteries. No diesel engine, no fuel tank, no fuel-related maintenance item. So your maintenance time will be reduced around the 30% or more compared to a diesel unit. That's a big part. And then last component will be in here, and open this side door, and then you can see another cooler here. So that is cooler for electric motor. And then there are two master disconnect switches. One is this side is for 600 volt controller master disconnect switch, and then this one is 24 volt master disconnect switches. So when you start the machine, turn on this 24 volt system first, and then flip it up the 600 volt, and then start the machine, and then use it, and then when you shut it down, 600 volt first, and then 24 volt off. That's it, that's simple.
Yes. Turn on the master switches, jump into the machine, start the ignition, crank one time, raise the safety bar up, and off you go.
Thank you so much for joining us today and listening to SS and Lars talk about the EC230. If you want to hear more about charging, which is another hot topic here, you can join us tomorrow at 3 p.m. Thanks for tuning in.